What's up guys, Jason here from Poor Man's Preparing. In this video we're going to try a little catch and cook down here at this little local private lake. Can't tell you where it is, but we're going to try to catch a couple bluegill and cook them up using the solo stove. As you may have seen on a different video, we tilled up my uncle's garden here, and one good thing about it is you can find fishing bait really easy. Didn't even have to dig. These worms and pieces of worms, which will work perfect for us because we're trying to catch some bluegill. They'll work perfect for bait and we didn't have to dig for it, so just using what we have available. That was a little crispy.
That water will rehydrate them. So small though. Nice little crappie. Little crappie.
Nice looking little crappie. A little too small to eat though. Man, that sun. It's shining. Alright. One cast, one fish. Here we go. Look up. Had a bite anyway. A bit of moss action. There we go. Little bitty feller. That's perfect catfish bait right there. The best way to grab a bluegill so it doesn't fin you is to start at the top and push their fins down. That way it don't fin you because they are sharp and they will make you bleed. Alright, there we go. It looks like a good chunk of meat to me. Yes, sir. Another little feller. So I can keep getting to them little ones. That's the smallest one yet. Dang it. Bigger than the ones I'm catching. It's just the moss causing the drag, not the fish. Dang, if we was fishing for bait, we probably wouldn't catch anything. Just got it. Alright, we caught 2 keepable bluegill. We're going to cook them up. We're going to attempt to fry them up on the solo stove, kind of like deep frying them. Should be pretty interesting. I think it'll work. All we need, of course, is some sticks to make it go. So we're going to fillet the fish, bread them up, get the oil going, and drop them in. See what happens. Alright, we got our fish here, just in some Andes seasoning. 2 nice bluegill. So we're going to fry them up and enjoy it. Just to show you that you can make even deep fried fish out in the wild. I think that oil's hot enough. It's to a rolling bubble.
Dingle one in there and see it.
We'll dip this one in there just to give it a taste. Oh yeah. You want to be careful, because if this oil should overflow, it's going to catch on fire. So you want to be careful. Probably not a concern with this larger pot, but if you had more oil it might be. And the good thing about fish is it only takes a minute or 2 to cook, because it's so thin. These ones anyway. Thicker fish like catfish will take a little longer. I think we're already done. Oh, the first 2 pieces will burn already. Look at that. That one might be a little crispy. Alright, there you see it. That piece got a little crispy, but that's alright. Cooked up super fast. That oil probably was a good 450. It was hot. So we're gonna let it cool down and then have a little treat.
Alright, you ready to try that? Whatever you're ready
burnt. Look at that there. Good nog white meat. What's hot?
Good. The burntness almost tastes a little popcornish. You can't get any fresher than that. Man.
Even the burnt piece is good. Delicious.
I'm telling you. This is a little less burnt than these two.
Yeah, real good.
Dude.
That oil was probably a little too hot.
With fire like that, it's hard to tell. Man.
Yeah. I didn't think it'd get that hot.
I didn't that quick. I didn't either.
Definitely impressed.
I was all worried about the timing of it. That little stove, though, it's impressive. There's so little
It is.
that you can carry it anywhere. So many different uses.
A lot of people wouldn't even think about using the pot as like a pan, you know. So,
Yep.
but it worked out. The only bad part is the wick would cool down.
Yeah, but hey.
There's always a negative something. Yeah. Free fuel for life.
But probably if you're cooking, you're there for the night.
Yep.
So, you know.
Yep. Might just even just leave it out for breakfast.
Yep.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the catch and cook. This stuff is really delicious. I challenge all you guys to go out there. If you video it or not, either way do it because it's really enjoyable. You spend good time with friends and family, which is probably the most important thing. And if you haven't yet, you can learn a new skill by catching fish and cooking them right up. But as always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And remember, be ready. Let's look at the camera.